If you have a big family or you regularly wash large loads, this LG 20 kg washing machine will make your life much easier. Let's take a look at what makes this washing machine so powerful, intelligent, as well as efficient. So without wasting further more time, let's get straight into this video. The first thing that stands out is the massive 20 kg capacity. It allows you to wash blankets, beddings, and family loads all in one go. This means fewer washes, saving you time, electricity, and water. And on top of all of that, you got a full stainless steel drum with stainless steel lifters, which will help prevent bacteria buildup while caring for your clothes. This LG 20 kg washing machine comes through with LG's Inverter Direct Drive, which means that the motor is attached directly to the drum, providing up to 6 different motions for washing. But to get the automatic best wash motion for your clothing, LG equips this washing machine with LG AIDD, which intelligently detects the weight and fabric type and then automatically adjusts the wash motion accordingly. This gives you a powerful clean while still protecting your clothes and making them last longer. This digital display is modern, clear, and easy to use. You can quickly select your wash programs, adjust your settings, and monitor your cycles, making laundry simple and convenient. When time is short, the TurboWash program keeps your laundry on schedule. Its 4 jet spray arms reach every corner of the drum, thoroughly cleaning your load in just under 39 minutes. So you actually spend less time waiting and more time living. I think that's very much convenient. This LG 20 kg washing machine also comes through with the steam feature that removes bacteria, allergens, and bad odors, giving you a hygienic clean that's perfect for families and as well as sensitive skin. If you want massive capacity, intelligent washing, and as well as durability with the Inverter Direct Drive, stainless steel drum, and stainless steel lifters, then you'll make a perfect choice with the LG 20 kg washing machine. Guys, this is the end of the review when it comes down to the specs and features of the washing machine that we have right over here. And if you guys did enjoy that, a like and subscribe would be highly appreciated. But if you guys have any more questions regarding the washing machine, then make sure to leave them down below in the comment section and I'll try my level best to get to them. But as always, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you guys in the next one.